If there's one aesthetic dominating vacation fashion right now, it's coastal dressing done in a way that feels effortless, polished, and quietly luxurious. From airy white silhouettes to woven textures and statement straw headwear, these are four relaxed yet elevated outfit ideas, resort style, designed for your next seaside escape. Let's start with look 1. This outfit leans heavily into texture, a crochet knit top with scalloped hems and dramatic batwing sleeves layered over crisp white linen trousers. The intricate threadwork instantly gives it an elevated resort style feel, like something you'd wear strolling through a coastal town on a luxury summer escape. This embroidery really brings out the look. Since the outfit is monotone, the eggshell off-white top with white pants calls for an accent of color, and that's shown on by the sunglasses, which are chromatic reflective ones, perfect for the sunny day. The reflective finish feels especially fitting against the bright seaside light, and while keeping accessories to a minimum, keeping in mind how hot it is, since we're trying to keep everything really lightweight here, we have yet another accessory, white on white. It happens to be the white banded fitness watch, my Fitbit, and it has replaceable bands just so that I can match and coordinate with my outfit. Throughout all four looks, I'll also be reusing the same woven handbag with leather straps. It works beautifully across every outfit and honestly makes more sense for travel. You have luggage space for shopping instead of carrying multiple bags. To top it off, pun intended, I'm wearing the most trendy Pinterest fashion item with this look, and that's the crochet cap. It's so ethereal, it completely softens the whole look and ties in perfectly with the artisanal texture of the top. Beyond aesthetics is genuinely useful for beach days when your hair starts doing its own thing in the humidity. White linen trousers remain unmatched for warm weather dressing. They're breathable, versatile, and instantly make everything feel more vacation ready. And this is such a summer favorite. Even though the base outfit stays understated, the accessories bring in major dimension. I'm gonna make sure that while this entire ensemble is simple, it's elevated by the accessories. Rhinestone studded Birkenstock sandals add just enough sparkle to somewhere like a beachside bar. They add that extra something, that little kick to spice up the sober tones of the otherwise effortless dress code. I've also managed to include these unique dangling earrings, these marble effect earrings with touches of gold elements like linked in chains. And since they're danglers, it kind of plays peekaboo with your hair. I love that factor. We always prep so much for our holidays that we end up overpacking. So I wanted these outfits to feel uncomplicated but still visually rich. Pieces that are easy to style, easy to repeat, and still memorable enough to stand out. Look 2 leans more into swimwear styling, with either a bodysuit or one piece layered beneath the satin joggers. The standout element here is the floor length chiffon cover up, trimmed with delicate lace detailing, which has a little bit of lace work but is a flowy gilet. It moves beautifully in the wind and instantly gives the outfit that cinematic resort feel. The palette stays grounded in black, white, and sandy neutrals, which makes this entire look feel universally flattering and easy to wear. More than anything else, this outfit is about feeling light, comfortable, and confident against the heat. The drape of the chiffon paired with the satin trousers mimic the breeze which you'll be facing once you're by the seaside. To build on the beach club aesthetic, I'm adorning myself with these tasseled, long dangly charms necklace, which has these cute ocean-based trinkets. The black fringe and muted gold accents tie effortlessly into the palette while bringing in a slightly bohemian energy. A boho chic vibe lent to my summer look. For eyewear, I wanted something with a bit more fashion forward edge to add a little high end touch, so I chose oversized retro sunglasses with warm brown undertones through the frame. The wide eye shape has been really trendy right now. I feel like this warm tone works beautifully against the gold detailing. And of course, the hero accessory here is the raffia pillbox hat. The craftsmanship is stunning. It feels subtle yet holds its shape perfectly. Really cannot express how soft and yet structured this headwear is. I love how it just elevates my look to something so trendy without being too costumey. It gives the outfit that European vacation girl touch. The satin joggers, especially by themselves, are incredibly airy and skim away from the body rather than clinging to it, which makes them especially wearable in humid weather. These creamy pair of satin drawstring pants keep it more flattering even for something so flimsy almost one can say. Since this Swimwear underneath, the entire look transitions effortlessly from lounging to swimming. It's purely for the beach or when you're by the pool, so it'll take you less than a minute to take everything off and jump into the water. To echo the sheen of the satin, I've added lightweight dangly earrings with a subtle shimmer. Delicate danglers have this geometric structure which is juxtaposed to the whole fluidity of the look. I feel like it also elongates my face and yet doesn't draw too much attention from the outfit. Footwear is easygoing. Pretty simple to put this on, just a pair of matching slip-ons. Mine have a little bit of studded sparklies, but you needn't match, just be casual. Ultimately, beach dressing should prioritize comfort, but I still love it when an outfit feels intentional from head to toe. We've reached look 3, and this is probably the most effortless outfit of the entire lineup. At its core, it's simply a white embroidered beach dress with an intricate cutwork detailing and an intentionally loose silhouette that feels ideal for poolside afternoons or slow vacation mornings. It's not oversized, just a baggy fit. The styling here leans heavily into that Instagram-ready resort aesthetic, and honestly, if you are spending hours in the sun, nothing works harder than a visor. Especially these Vietnamese-inspired straw versions with extended brims. They shield the face elegantly, which is probably the most useful part considering that's where most of us stand the quickest, while still looking incredibly fashion-forward. Very on trend. There's such detailed handiwork here. This weave on the cap is what uplifts the style quotient enormously. Handmade art trumps machine-made items any day. The usual beach hats are too cliché, so it only made sense to recommend quirky and stylish headwear in this video. Instead of dramatic sunnies, I switched to tinted shades for a softer, more laid-back mood. Very resort wear. The geometric cut near the bridge gives them a slightly futuristic effect. You could go for pink or even blue tinted eyewear since those are really viral right now. Feel especially trend-driven presently. I even coordinated the transparent yellow eyeglasses with my manicure and jewelry for a more cohesive finish. The real centerpiece though is the leopard print satin scarf. It instantly transforms a dress and gives you endless styling options. There are innumerable videos out there to show you how to drape the stole around yourself, but I've opted for a couple of ways that I find would be more appealing to me and flattering to this kind of a dress. Use it to cover yourself up. You can drape it around like a necktie scarf. You can certainly wear it over your head whenever you're feeling a little too warm, like old Hollywood, a vintage-inspired head wrap. It adds movement, contrast, and that very Pinterest-coded vacation energy. My footwear is just brown sandals studded with golden rivets. The shoes stay minimal. Tan flats and gold accents that subtly tie back into the straw textures and warm tone accessories throughout the outfit. Most of all, my super pigmented golden earrings. These floral statement pieces have this very organic appearance, and I feel like this theme usually works well with beach holiday attire. Organic shapes and forms are intrinsic of vacay style. You'll have seen all content creator girlies shopping for such stuff. I've not shown it, but I feel like you can certainly wear the scarf around your waist like the girls on Pinterest have been doing lately. Cinches your silhouette and also adds some color prominently into your look. Most of the looks were more beachside or poolside oriented, but look 4 moves into something slightly more refined. Perfect for sightseeing between destinations or heading from a resort into town. This is the only look featuring a statement necklace. Up until now, I've kept the jewelry fairly minimal, but this outfit called for something with a stronger signature presence. I've only worn earrings so far, and this one had to have a little more panache. It's still white themed, but the beads and stones add some personality to my accessory game. What I love is that it does not stand out, but it happens to go perfectly well with this crochet top. For headgear, I styled 2 different raffia options. Diving straight for the first one, the raffia straw hat, kind of like a beret, but I also have to pass it off as a chef's hat. In some ways, it gives outfit a slightly editorial quality. I like the color is a little warm. The caramel tone works especially well against the crisp whites and sea blues on the ensemble color palette. I really wanted to show off how beautifully finished this embroidered blouse is, with the leafy petal scallops at the hemlines as well as the sleeves. Even with all the holes, it still manages to feel elegant rather than revealing. It's still very well covered. The sunglasses also lean more polished this time. Soft beige frames paired with brown lenses for a slightly cinematic glamour, not my usual standard black or even white. This creamy shade has a complementary effect on medium olive skin tones, as it's not too warm and stays more or less neutral as a cooler tone. Magic! Once combined with the handbag and textured hat, the entire look starts feeling very old money vacation coded. I also wanted to include another trending shape, the sailor style straw hat. It's a more yellowy fawn colored shade which complements Indian skin tones naturally. I think this would be a really nice yacht or boat attire, especially thanks to this hat. Keep your head covered and stay in vogue too. Notice how the shades pair so fluidly with all the warm toned straw fabrics in this outfit. The wide-legged trousers have the perfect sea blue that mirror the ocean palette perfectly, while keeping the form relaxed enough for wearing through the day. Material matters, so even if it may be smooth in its drape and soft in its texture, blends or natural fabrics are the way to go. And to finish everything off, I added metallic flats in silver, which honestly feels like a softer extension of white within this color family. Out of all the four looks, this one probably feels the most sophisticated to me. I have a more modest sense of dressing, so subtleties is where I seek my personal style. Thank you for coming along on this little coastal fashion escape with me. I hope these looks inspired you to dress a little lighter, softer, and more intentionally for your next holiday. Until then, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the getaway, and I'll see you in the next one.